All right, run with me on this. You're going on vacation, so you got to pack your suitcase. You obviously don't want to pack heavy because that just sucks. But you also don't want to get to your destination and have no options. That also sucks. What do you do? Today I'm going to show you how I did it and what I brought with me just from one single brand. What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm coming to you from the Disney Cruise Liner Wonder, the ship in the Disney Cruise Line fleet. We are actually sitting right outside Catalina right now off the coast of California. I am on a cruise with my family. They're off playing somewhere on the ship right now, and I'm talking to myself into a camera in our stateroom. I am doing this video today to show you how I packed, what stuff I brought with me, and how I decided what I was gonna bring because, you know, like I just said, you don't wanna pack a heavy suitcase. You cannot, it just sucks to have to bring a big heavy suitcase, lug it around because you got the kids stuff, you've got other stuff that you need to bring. You don't wanna pack your entire closet. So I'm gonna show you how I achieved this while also still giving myself plenty of options. Now, if you go back a couple of videos, just a couple of videos back, I introduced you to a brand called Fresh Clean Threads. They were kind enough to hook me up with a few items during that video so that I could introduce you to the brand, show you how I kind of revamped my wardrobe recently, and that plays into today's video because they were kind enough to allow me to select a few items to bring with me on today's cruise so I could give myself the maximum amount of options while also bringing the least amount of items, if that makes sense. Also, it probably goes without saying this video is not sponsored by Disney Cruise Line. They have no idea who I am. I paid to be on this boat right now, but hey, you know what? If you're from Disney Cruise and you happen to see this video, well, unlikely, give me a call. I absolutely love Disney Cruises. Now though, I'm gonna run through a couple of outfits that I packed for this cruise to kind of give you an idea of how I link the day with different outfits and maybe give you some tips on how you might pack for this coming spring, summer, whatever season you're going to travel in. This might help you out in order to pack light, but also maximize your options. All right, so morning time, first outfit of the day. Right here in the Pacific Ocean where we're sailing, the temperature is actually quite comfortable. You know, it's between 65 to 70, but coming off the water is a kind of cool breeze. It's very windy up top. And so I decided that I wanted to make myself comfortable and be able to walk around in the morning, maybe go to breakfast, take an activity in or two, and have something that I could be super comfortable in, but also, if I needed to, be slightly warm, you know, be nice and comfortable. That's why I chose the quarter zip as the first outfit of the day. Quarter zip with some shorts. These are the active shorts, I believe. They're very comfortable. They almost feel like a swimsuit material, but I don't think they actually are, but they're quite comfortable, very lightweight. And then this quarter zip is not so thick that you end up actually getting too hot, but it protects you against the wind at the same time. Makes you nice and comfortable when you're walking around the ship. And then of course underneath it, I just got one of the Fresh Clean Threads t-shirts to just tie everything together and make it not only just comfortable, as I keep saying, but very functional. That's it. And each morning so far on board, I have worn a variation of this. I might do the khakis with this instead of the black ones. I brought both of them with me. So the khaki shorts. So this is what I start out with usually in the morning, and then we switch over to lunch. All right, here is outfit number 2 for the day. Now, this particular cruise I was on went to 2 different places, Ensenada, Mexico, and Catalina Island off the coast of California. And when you get off on those ports, there's a lot of activities you can do. You know, you can hike, you can go on we went on like a guided tour, a photography tour. So you need outfits that's not only gonna accommodate the temperature, which was, you know, on the warmer end in both places, but something that you're gonna be super comfortable in and be able to do, you know, I had to walk around with the kids. I had to keep track of them. We were shopping, you know, eating, things like that. I wanted to not feel constricted, but I also wanted to have a lot of options, you know, and throw on the pullover once again, bring the quarter zip, throw that over if you get a little too cold, or you know, it was pretty warm in Mexico, so this actually worked out very well. I got the shorts, khaki this time, so it's not the same as what I had earlier in the day, and then I just did a simple black tee to go with it. But this is what I wore when we stopped at port, and it worked out very well. Now I'm going to show you the evening attire, because here on the Disney Cruise Line, you kind of want to dress up a little bit on at least some of the nights when you're going to a very nice dinner. They've got some very nice restaurants here, and they encourage you to look a little better than maybe you did throughout the day. So I'm going to show you how I did that now. All right, so here's outfit number 3. This is again for the evening, the later times in the day when you're doing a lot of those evening or late night activities here on board. Starting first with the awesome restaurants they have on board, and they're very, very elegant restaurants they always have on the Disney Cruise Line. And so, you know, my wife and I, we decided we were going to dress up just a little. You don't have to get super dressy with it. You know, it's not, you know, wear like a suit and tie type thing. Just put on some nicer clothes than you had on throughout the day. And that's why I went with the performance pants. We talked about these in the last video, actually, I did for Fresh Clean Threads. These are very comfortable and they look awesome. They elevate your look almost instantly, and you can pair almost anything with it and make it look better. I actually went with a new piece for this one here, which is their polo. This is the first time I've checked out the polo from Fresh Clean Threads, and it works out really well. We went black on black. Can't ever go wrong with black on black, and you've got very nice fit. You know, it's not too loose in the arms. You don't got a whole lot of extra fabric just going all over the place. It's extremely soft, so I can, you know, keep up with the kids, enjoy my dinner, and in this outfit I feel like I can take part in whatever I want to, or I can relax, or I can chase the kids around, do, you know, a bunch of stuff around the ship and not really think twice about it. So this is what I went with for my more formal, if you want to call it that, more formal-ish outfit here on board. All right, that's pretty much it. That's a lot of the options that I brought with me in order to maximize my outfit potential on this vacation, give me as many options and stuff to use as possible while also packing the least amount of items. If you want to check out anything that I showed you here, or anything at all really from Fresh Clean Threads, check them out in the description there down below. I highly recommend you check them out. They've been fantastic to work with so far. If you enjoyed today's video, let me know by hitting that like button, drop me a comment, and subscribing if you haven't already. It's a big deal to me. Hit that subscribe button if you don't mind. That's all I got for you today, though. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking this out with me. I'm going to get back to my cruise. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.